Welcome to Medifit Medical Academy. Myself is Dr. Mahesh Kumar. In this video, we are going to discuss about fat loss molecule called Orlistat. What is Orlistat? Orlistat is a fat loss molecule. Orlistat is a generic name, means the content of a capsule is named as Orlistat. Orlistat is available in capsule form. It comes in power of 60 and 120 mg. Orlistat is an FDA approved molecule for fat loss. It's pharma grade medicine and obviously a prescription medicine. I advise everybody to take it under medical supervision, under your physician's or doctor's advice only. Orlistat is available in chemist. It is a prescription medicine, but most of the chemists give it directly without the prescription. It is considered as a safe drug approved by FDA and it is used all over the world for fat loss. Action of Orlistat. How Orlistat works on our body. When you consume Orlistat, it blocks the enzyme which is digesting fat in your body. When this enzyme is blocked by Orlistat, then this enzyme is not able to convert the food, means the fat which you are consuming, and hence your body is deprived from getting the fat from the food. But this Orlistat blocks only 30% of the fat. How to consume Orlistat? What are the doses of Orlistat? Orlistat comes in the dose of 60 and 120 mg. I advise to my patients to take 120 mg dose 3 times a day. It is consumed 1 hour prior to meals. Means when you are consuming meals, before that you consume the Orlistat capsules 1 hour before. Safety and duration of Orlistat consumption. I recommend taking Orlistat for very longer period of time. Orlistat is considered as a very safe drug because it's a prescription drug, because it is approved by FDA and you have to consume Orlistat for years and years. Adverse effects, side effects of Orlistat. Orlistat is a safe molecule. It is not having any potential side effect. It should be taken above the age of 12 years. Orlistat causes loose motions. Why Orlistat causes loose motions? Obviously, if the fat is not absorbed from your body, this fat is excreted through your motions, through your stools. That's why body gives a signal to the abdomen so that you feel like a loose motion, and the loose motions are only the side effects of the Orlistat. These loose motions over the period of time gets reduced after 4, 5 or 7 days. Hence after 4, 5 or 7 days there are almost no potential side effects of Orlistat and you can consume Orlistat for years and years. I tell my patients you consume Orlistat for longer duration of time because it is like a supplement for the fatty people. Whenever you are on Orlistat, you should follow these things. You should have a controlled fat diet, means you shouldn't consume more fat diet. Most of the people think that if this Orlistat is blocking the fat from the food, so they can consume more fat, but this is a wrong thing. It is a myth. So whenever you are consuming Orlistat, you should be on a very low fat diet. Stay tuned to Medifit. Subscribe to our channel to get free medical and fitness advice.